We found this listing 3 days ago. Amazon had it up, then it was gone. Then it came back under a different name. Here are 20 gadgets that keep reappearing on the internet. We screenshot everything. And if you don't make it to number 7, you're going to miss the one that should genuinely not exist yet. Number 1. The OMG cable. That charging cable someone left near your laptop? The OMG cable looks identical to an Apple Lightning cable, right down to the molded Apple logo and the exact shade of white. But inside that tiny rubber housing is a full Wi-Fi server, a keystroke injector, and a remote trigger that someone can activate from 300 feet away. You plug it in. Your phone charges normally. On their end, every password you type, every message you send, and every account you open is being recorded in real time. Security researcher MG built the original version to demonstrate how easy physical device breaches are, and companies pay pen testers to use it on their own systems to find weak points. Quietly relisted under a new seller name within weeks. Number 2. Flipper Zero. In late 2022, U.S. Customs and Border Protection seized 15,000 of these devices at the border. In April 2023, Amazon banned the Flipper Zero entirely, labeling it a card-skimming device. Brazil's telecommunications regulator seized every shipment they intercepted. In February 2024, Canada's government announced plans to ban it altogether, blaming it for rising car theft rates. The Flipper Zero is a pocket-sized multi-tool the size of a TV remote with a cartoon dolphin on the screen. It reads, copies, and replays. Security professionals use it to audit access systems, test building entry points, and expose vulnerabilities in corporate infrastructure. The company reported $80 million in revenue in 2023, the same year Amazon removed it. Number 3. Hardware keylogger. This is a small plastic cylinder, the exact size and shape of a USB adapter. You slot it between a keyboard cable and the back of a computer. Every single keystroke after that moment gets written to up to 8 gigabytes of onboard storage. Usernames, passwords, bank login details, private conversations, all of it stored silently. No software installation, no internet connection required, no alert, no light, no sound. Employers use them legitimately, with consent, to monitor company devices. Parents use them on home computers with full transparency, without consent in most US states. Number 4. Magnetic GPS tracker. This is a black box with a magnetic base about the size of a deck of cards. You press it against any metal surface on a vehicle and it sticks. It pings a live GPS location every 10 seconds to an app on any smartphone anywhere on the planet. Fleet companies track delivery vehicles with them. Parents put them on teen drivers' cars. Insurance companies offer premium discounts for using them. But in 2023, multiple Amazon listings for these devices were removed after court cases directly linked them to stalking incidents targeting domestic abuse survivors. The same product that keeps families safe became the reason a woman couldn't leave her city without being followed. Number 5. Smoke detector spy camera. This is a fully functional smoke detector. It passes visual inspections. It mounts on a standard ceiling fitting. It works. But inside the housing is a 1080p camera, a 150-degree wide-angle lens, night vision, motion activation, and a Wi-Fi chip that streams live footage to any device on the same network. Homeowners install them for affordable home security when a full CCTV system is out of budget, which is a completely legitimate and practical use. But this exact product has been found in rental properties, hotel rooms, and short-term let apartments where the guest had no idea it was there. UK trading standards flagged a wave of these imports between 2023 and 2024, flagged by border control in multiple EU countries. Still available on Amazon, sometimes featured in home security recommendation lists. Number 6. Signal jammer. Under FCC regulations, it is a federal crime to operate a signal jammer in the United States. Not a gray area. Not debatable. Any device that intentionally blocks Wi-Fi, cellular, GPS, or Bluetooth signals is illegal to use, period. Hospitals lose emergency communication. Police frequencies go silent. Navigation systems freeze mid-route. These were developed for military applications, primarily to stop enemy communications and disable radio-triggered IED detonators in combat zones. That second use prevented thousands of military casualties in active conflict regions, which is why they exist at all. On Amazon, they appear labeled as privacy protection devices, anti-spy tools, and Wi-Fi security analyzers. The FCC has issued fines up to $100,000 per violation. Seized and yet still available, sometimes relisted within days of removal. Number 7 looks like birdwatching equipment. Number 7. Parabolic listening device. It looks like a small satellite dish with a handle and a pair of headphones attached, pointed at a window 300 meters away, and you hear the conversation happening on the other side of the glass. Hunters use directional audio devices to track game through dense forest. Wildlife researchers use them. Sports broadcasters use professional-grade versions to capture on-field audio during live games. Consumer versions of the same technology exist on Amazon, marketed as nature sound amplifiers, and they require zero technical knowledge, zero modification, and zero line of sight through the target window. Privacy advocates have flagged this product repeatedly. The legal barrier to using it against someone without consent is simply the law, which does not stop a listing from staying live. Number 8. USB rubber ducky. This is a thumb drive. It looks exactly like a thumb drive. The difference is the moment it touches a USB port, it types 1,000 keystrokes per second. In under 10 seconds, it can open a command terminal, disable security software, create a hidden admin account, and begin transferring data to a remote server. The company behind it, Hawk5, sells it openly as a professional security testing tool, and IT security teams use it to run physical breach simulations and train employees to recognize USB drop attacks. The custom payloads for it are freely shared on GitHub, and some of those payloads exist for credential theft and remote access. Number 9 is what someone wears while standing next to you. Number 9. Covert button camera. This is 1.3 centimeters wide. It looks like a shirt button. It shoots 1080p video at 60 frames per second, and the recording unit clips invisibly inside a jacket pocket. Investigative journalists operating in environments with hostile press freedoms use body-worn cameras to document corruption and human rights abuses at real personal risk. Law enforcement agencies use authorized versions in undercover operations. Private investigators in single-party consent jurisdictions use them legally in the course of licensed work. In two-party consent states like California, recording someone without their knowledge is a felony, regardless of the device used. UK trading standards flagged a surge of these imports in 2023. Some versions surface in the top results for lapel camera. Number 10 was specifically mentioned in a border security briefing in multiple countries. Number 10. Wi-Fi dother. One-button press. Every device on a Wi-Fi network, every laptop, every phone, every smart device is knocked offline simultaneously. Network engineers use deauthentication tools to stress test routers and identify infrastructure weaknesses in corporate environments. At a major tech conference in 2023, a deauthor was used repeatedly to knock speakers and journalists offline during live presentations. The device gets sold on Amazon as a network security analyzer and has appeared disguised as a wristwatch. The U.S. Communications Act classifies intentional wireless interference as a federal offense. Number 11. Laser listening device. A laser microphone fires an invisible beam at a window pane, reads the microscopic vibration sound causes in the glass, and converts those vibrations back into full audio from outside the building, up to 100 meters away. Intelligence agencies have used classified versions for decades. Consumer versions now exist, marketed as glass vibration sensors for acoustic research. Number 12. RFID card cloner. Hold this within 10 centimeters of a wallet, and it copies the data from any RFID chip inside. Credit cards, hotel key cards, and office access badges. IT administrators use RFID duplicators legitimately to manage large access control systems. Security researchers use them to demonstrate contactless card vulnerabilities at conferences. Multiple Amazon listings for this product were removed, then relisted under new brand names within weeks. Number 13. High-powered Class 4 laser, 5 watts. Legal to purchase in the US, not legal to aim at aircraft, not legal to aim at a person, and classified as an assault weapon in several states when directed at law enforcement. Astronomers use lower-powered versions to point out constellations at public events. Industrial lasers cut steel. And consumer 5-watt versions on Amazon have been linked to several of those incidents. Removed repeatedly. Back repeatedly. Number 14. Glock Auto Switch. U.S. Customs and Border Protection seized over 1,500 of these in Chicago alone in 2024. This small metal device converts a standard Glock semi-automatic pistol into a fully automatic weapon in under 30 seconds. Federal law makes it illegal to manufacture, possess, or transfer without specialized licensing that virtually no civilian can obtain. They arrive in international shipments declared as phone brackets and jewelry hardware. Number 15. Stun gun disguised as lipstick. It looks like a cosmetics tube. It delivers 3 million volts on contact. It is banned in Hawaii, Rhode Island, and most of the European Union. Self-defense advocates make a credible argument that this product gives vulnerable people a discreet way to protect themselves in situations where a visible weapon is not possible. That argument holds weight. The problem is, it bypasses handbag checks, locker inspections, and standard security screening without detection. Amazon has removed and relisted it more than a dozen times. Number 16. Portable IMS. Eye Catcher. This is a fake cell tower in a box. Your phone connects to it because it broadcasts the strongest local signal. The moment it connects, every call, every message, and all your data traffic routes through it first. Intelligence agencies use professional versions costing hundreds of thousands of dollars under court authorization. Consumer-grade versions now exist, marketed as cellular signal analyzers. No legitimate consumer application. Federally illegal to operate without a court order. Number 17. ITAR, Restricted Thermal Scope. Most consumer night vision is legal, but the International Traffic in Arms regulations restrict thermal scopes above certain resolution and sensitivity thresholds, because military-grade thermal imaging spots people through walls, fog, and dense foliage at distances that fundamentally change armed operations. Hunters, wildlife researchers, and search and rescue teams all use civilian-grade versions legally with real benefit. Several Amazon sellers listed specs that tripped ITAR violations, got removed, then reappeared with modified product descriptions and the exact same internal hardware. Number 18. Spy Pen Camera. Also records 1080p video and full audio through a pinhole lens built into the clip. The battery runs 90 minutes. Journalists in hostile press environments have used these to document government abuses at serious personal risk. Whistleblowers have used recordings from them as court evidence. In two-party consent states, recording someone without their knowledge with this device is a felony. Available on Amazon. Relisted within days of each removal. Number 19. RF Spectrum Analyzer. This one gets listed as a tool for wireless engineers and ham radio operators to visualize signal activity. At basic configuration, that is exactly what it is. At its highest firmware capability, it intercepts, decodes, and logs wireless transmissions from surrounding devices. The hardware is identical in both versions. The difference is the software. Amazon keeps listing the higher capability versions. They keep getting flagged, and they keep reappearing under new listings with different product images and refreshed reviews. Number 20. RF Bug Detector. This is the gadget that finds all the others. An RF bug detector scans a room for hidden cameras, GPS trackers, audio bugs, and RFID readers. If you are staying in an unfamiliar Airbnb, hotel room, or rented space, it tells you immediately whether surveillance devices are planted in that environment. It is legal, it is protective, and it genuinely works. But CBP flagged several versions of this product because the same circuitry that detects a signal can be modified to jam one, and some overseas manufacturers were shipping hybrid versions that did both. If this video just changed how you look at the tech around you, hit subscribe right now because next week we are going into the gadgets that governments quietly purchase for their own use. Like this video so more people see it before these listings disappear again. and drop a comment. Which one on this list hit different for you? We read every single one,